Hello, good morning. I figured we could do like a, oh my god, sorry. Let me put my hair up. I figured we could do like a day in the life, like running errands and kind of like what I'm doing today. It's a Sunday, like 9:10. I'm on my way into town to go to Pilates, and then I have lots of errands to run. It is our first Sunday after the snowstorm, so it rained all this week. So luckily there's not like a ton of snow around, so I have to like go get water and like do all those kinds of things. Yeah, so I figured we could just like go together and have like a cute little day. I'll try to remember to record because sometimes I do these and I don't record at all. So yeah, we need to go get water, we need to grocery shop, I need to put all my laundry away because once we got power back on, I did 4 weeks of laundry in a weekend, or like throughout the week. So I have a ton of laundry to do. Yesterday I didn't get to do anything because I was just bopping around town. But yeah, let's go do that. So let's go to Pilates. I'm not going to record in there because there's a lot of other women and I don't want to invade their privacy. But yeah, we'll do like a before and after of like what my face looks like right now and how red I am when I come out of Pilates. I've really liked it. It's been very helpful since I can't do like strength training like I normally like to do because my arthritis is so bad. So I've been really enjoying Pilates in the interim until if and when I get my surgery to get my hands feeling better. So yeah, let's go. Done with Pilates. I got a little sweaty in there, but we're done for now. Now let's go get groceries.
A less quality of a fish.
fence. I didn't record at the water. I didn't record when we went to get water. There were just too many people at the spring. Interesting people today. Just measuring the fence because I need to replace the fencing because I don't know if you can see, but behind you, that's where, oh yeah, where the deer broke out, deer broke in, and then the bear broke in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace all the T-posts with the metal wood posts. Not the metal wood. Jesus Christ, I can't speak. With the wood posts. And then do like a wood border so that the deer are less inclined to hop over it. Sorry, I thought I saw something in the woods moving. There were a couple of deer out here earlier before I came out. But yeah, we need to do that. We need to pull up all of these planter beds, take the plants out. We want to rearrange the garden this year. So yeah, I need to do that and just make everything a little bit more level and pretty and not waste so much space. Like, this is a ton of space where the walkway is. But yeah, it's like 3 o'clock, so it's kind of late to start anything today. Spent most of the day doing homework and running errands. This coming up week is my last week of these classes before I start my next half of the semester. So, and I've procrastinated, so I have lots of homework to do. I think I have like 12 writing responses to like either books or films that I'm supposed to watch. So it'll be a lot of things to do for this last week. It was less than 2 weeks ago that this whole place was covered in snow. I think the lizards are out. Tootie, what you think? She's in the catio. What are you doing? What are you doing? You don't want to come inside. What? And the catio extension is still like not even close to being done. What? You want to come inside? We can go inside, but you can't come back out here. Is that okay?